Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have a evening cleaning routine for you guys. This is legit how my house looks right now. It's really messy. We've had a full day hanging out in here. I do try to be a minimalist in our home, so there's not too much clutter going on, but there's just a lot of like food in the kitchen, groceries I haven't finished putting away, dinner stuff left out, all that kind of mess, and then just my son's little toys and stuff that he's been playing with. So yeah, this is my typical evening cleaning routine. I hope it will be nice, relaxing, and motivational for you guys. So if you like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. Alright, let's get into it. So I'll start with a quick overview of the mess for you guys. In the evenings, I mostly focus on the downstairs floor. I got some doggies around here, and I want to tidy this up before I go to bed. And then I'm going to just also clean the playroom before I go to bed, and tidy up the master bedroom as well. was my nighttime cleaning routine. It was definitely a slightly longer one because it's a weekend night, so we've been in the house more all day and just made more of a mess. And then of course all the Passover stuff going on makes it a little bit more difficult. But yeah, that's a really typical nighttime routine for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go pass out. I hope you have a wonderful night and thank you for watching this video. Bye.